Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the essentials of using formulas in Notion. A super useful feature if you want to make your databases smarter and save time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create helpful formula properties that automatically calculate totals, deadlines, and even custom labels for your tables, just like an experienced power user. And don't worry, I'll put all the example formulas down in the description below so you can copy and paste as you go. So, let's dive in. You'll see I've already set up a simple table just to keep things moving. I've filled out the columns for item, price, quantity, status, and deadline, so you won't have to watch me type in 3 bananas and a bunch of grapes one by one. But the steps are exactly the same with your own table. Let's get started with the first formula, calculating the total price for each row. In Notion, you add a new property to your table, select formula, and type prop price. Prop quantity. What this does is multiply the price of each item by its quantity, giving you that row's total cost. This is perfect for shopping lists, budgets, or anytime you want instant sums. Notice how the table automatically recalculates. You never need to do the math yourself. If the price of apples goes up, your table will update, all on its own. It's kind of like having a little accountant living in your Notion workspace. Sometimes, though, you want those totals to look a bit cleaner, like rounded to just 2 decimal places. For that, add another formula property and paste in round, prop, price, prop, quantity, 100, 100. This neat trick multiplies your total by 100, rounds the number, then divides back down, snapping everything to 2 decimal points. If you've ever seen a long mess of digits after the decimal, rounding is your friend. It makes your data easier to read and makes totals look professional, especially if you share these with a team. Next, let's add a bit of visual flair that helps you scan your table quickly. I like to create a status check column that uses emojis, so you instantly see which items are done and which are still pending. Go ahead and set a new formula property with if prop status equals done. Now, whenever you mark an item's status, you'll have an easy-to-spot check mark or cross. It's a little touch, but it can make a table so much more usable. Think of it like editing your to-do list, so you get little rewards every time you complete something. Deadlines are crucial for keeping organized, so let's calculate how many days you have left until each item's deadline. For this, add a formula property and enter date between prop deadline, now, days. Notion will show you the exact number of days from today until your deadline. Don't worry if some deadlines are far out or if some are close and showing negative numbers. That just means those deadlines have already passed. It's a fantastic way of staying on top of your tasks, and you don't have to count days on a calendar. Lastly, let's personalize the table with a full label for each item. Use the formula prop item plus format prop quantity plus PCs. This will combine the item name and quantity, turning it into something like banana 10 PCs. If you ever need to export your table or just want to print out a shopping list, this label makes your data easy to read at a glance. That's it for this Notion Formulas beginner tutorial. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a tricky Notion formula you'd like me to cover next time. And be sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials and tips. Good luck automating your Notion workspace, and I'll see you in the next video.